it's Diane here from Brolly Sheets, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about our Snazzi Pants all-in-one cloth nappies. Now, these are so easy. The pads are sewn inside, so they're ready to go. You just need to use them like you would a disposable, no pads, nothing extra to put in. Really easy to use. Like our other pocket nappies, we've got adjustable sizing, so you can go from a really small baby, the snaps, just snap up like that. So you can go from quite little into bigger as your toddler grows, so they can go to quite a decent size. Now, Snazzi Pants, we have foldable laundry tabs. So when you go to wash them, you fold those over and they stay closed, and that's protecting those teeth from catching on everything else in your washing machine. So they fold over like that. We've got the double gussets that helps with runny poos, and then that's a soft waterproof PUL outer. So that is our Snazzi Pants all-in-one cloth nappy.